Give birds the food and shelter they need by landscaping native, and use 1/7 the water on average of traditional gardens. Loss of habitat is making life tough for birds in Southern California. For seed-eating birds, plant sage, buckwheat, and wildflowers. For berry-eating birds, plant currant, elderberry, and toyon. Babies and adults need insect protein. Hummingbird babies need the tiny insects found in manzanita flowers. Larger birds need caterpillars. Native plants support 35 times more caterpillars than non-native plants. More caterpillars means more birds and butterflies. For habitat and water savings, plant native. Every yard counts.